Dear learners, today we are going to discuss a very new concept which is known as a podcast, and it is picking up very fast in the present competitive environment where due to pandemic things are going online. Working from home is becoming a nomenclature, new thing to start with. So lots of new developments have taken place in past 1 year, and we have seen that such kind of activities like podcast, which was basically used for entertainment purpose, is now being used for educational purpose also. So today we will be discussing podcast in different forms, and then I will take you through a journey of the podcast which IGNOU launched during this pandemic period also. And we'll just see a short video of the IGNOU podcast, how it works, and what are the series, what are the themes which have been included for the educational purpose. So basically this whole episode would be discussing, or this whole lecture would be discussing the concept of podcast, various types of podcast, and what is the importance, what is the need for the podcast, the advantages, disadvantage. And for a short while, I'll also tell you how to do the podcasting in the basic format as well as in the advanced format. So the text part or the theoretical part we'll just discuss a little bit so that you get the understanding of the podcast. And in the later section, we'll just play the video, the screen recording in form of a movie, where you'll find how IGNOU podcast, it's a case study, how it works. So starting with the concept of podcast and the module of study, if you see, this is the whole listing which we are going to discuss presently. First is the concept of podcast, the need for the podcast, types of episodic media. Now see, I have used the word episodic, and I'll discuss what episodic is. And then you will understand what actually is podcast and what is not a podcast. Then we'll go on to discuss the advantages, the disadvantages, and then how to podcast or how to start your own podcast, and then a case study on IGNOU podcast. Now, if you see the Indian statistics related to podcast, you'll be surprised to know that as per FICCI year-end report on March 2020, you'll find that 47% of internet users in India between the age group of 16 to 64 listen to podcasts. Now, it's very surprising that the age group is quite varied, and the generation varies from 16 years to 64 years. So that means it starts from the adolescence to the old age. So the generation varies in listening to podcast. So this is the statistics available, and we all know that India is one of the largest users of internet in the world. And as per PricewaterhouseCoopers report from 2020, India has become the third largest podcast user in the world after China and US, with 57.6 million monthly listeners. And this is quite surprising. And most of the podcast users, if you find, they are in the educational sectors as well. With the online education picking up during the pandemic, the schools switching over to from the offline mode to the online mode, the concept of podcast, use of podcast in the education sector has increased to a large extent, and probably this is one of the reasons why the users have increased in India as compared to other nations in the world. Now, this is the statistics of podcast. So now you see how popular the podcast is becoming in our country as well. And if we just see the concept, and you'll find that the concept is not very old, and how it started, that concept we would discuss. And then we'll see the difference between the radio and the podcasting part, because when we talk about podcast, it always comes in mind that it is something audio. So now let us discuss what is the concept of podcast. Now let us see the concept of podcast. When we define podcast as per Wikipedia and other sources of the information available on the internet regarding podcast, what is actually a podcast? It is said to be a digital medium which consists of an episodic series of audio, video, PDF, or e-publication files, which is known as EPUB files. Now you see, I have used a word episodic here. That means you people must be watching television quite a lot, and you must be seeing lots of serials, lots of other entertainment media on the OTT platform as well. You must be finding that there are number of episodes. There are number of various episodes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Even if there are seasons, also there are episodes for a particular serial. Podcast is similar in nature, and it is episodic, because if the podcast is not if any audio file is not episodic, it will not be called as podcast. We'll see it later. So podcast is the episodic series of, it can be in audio form, it can be in video form, it can be in PDF form, or it can be EPUB files. The other important aspect of podcast is, when we talk about the concept of podcast, it is that it is subscribed, and it is in a downloadable form through the web syndication or streamed online content to a computer or mobile device. This is very, very important. And if we just go to the evolution of podcast, we'll find that it is derived from two words. One is the pod and the other is broadcast. And when you combine these two words, it becomes podcast. And this was started with iPod, the iPod offering audio podcast services throughout the world. Now let us see how this word came into being and how it is used, because even now people are trying to change the word as per the meaning, like podcast is only audio, then can't be a video, so it should be a video cast, it should be a blog cast, or something like audio cast, something like that. Still, podcast is becoming more and more popular, and people are sticking with this word only. Now let us see how the concept of this word took place. Now, if you see, if we just go back to 2004, Ben Hammersley suggested for following terms in the Guardian newspaper, and it was live. And he said audio blogging, podcasting, guerrilla media, etc. But in 2005, podcasting was declared as the word of the year by New Oxford American Dictionary, and then it took the formal form of podcast, and it was